A quick nugget of wisdom.
Making significant changes in life. We all aspire for this, but do we go that extra mile? E.A. Skolkowitz, founder of Givers University, talks about the importance of being ready to make changes in life and how we might have to go through hard times to achieve success.
So as I'm leaving, he offers me a job. And I said, no, I'm a janitor. My life's all set. People can make a mess. I can clean it up. I'm all set. So as I was leaving, he hooked me. And I didn't know at that point the importance of a mentor, and especially the right kind of one. As I'm walking out the door, he says, what do you have to lose? You could always go back being a janitor. And I said, you know what? No, I'm all set. And I left. I said no again. Halfway home, it's bothering me. And I'm thinking, he's right. I could always go back being a janitor. I can go back being a janitor. Halfway home, it's almost midnight now. I mean, this is late at night. I turned around. I said, I'm going to find out what he means. And he's probably gone to the airport already, but I'm going to go anyway. Sure enough, I go and he's there. So I start working for him and in the diamond business. And for the next 4 months, so I ask your listeners, how bad do you want it? Do you really say that you want success? Do you really say that you want to be successful and prosperous? Are you willing to do what's needed, or do you just talk about it? For the next 4 months, I got in the car at 4:30 in the morning, 4:30 in the morning, Friday night, Saturday morning, drove 6 hours. It was 301 miles. I remember the miles exactly. From Chicago to Detroit, met with him 6 hours, got back in the car, drove back home the same day, and did that for every single weekend for 4 months in a row and never missed a weekend.
My takeaway from this story, we need to question ourselves. Am I willing to make that significant changes in my life to reach desired success?
A quick nugget of wisdom.